Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. First let me say a big thanks to all my subscribers. I overcrossed the 2000, so I'm really so happy. I never believed that I was gonna reach until here. But anyway, let's keep the show going. Today is Saturday and the postman bring me this just one box, but looks like it's full of stuff on. So without further ado, let's open and find out together what's inside of this box. So today is Saturday, 25th February, and the postman bring me this box, and definitely it's full of stuff in, because here it say resistance 13 pieces, resistance 1 piece, integrated 1 piece, total 1 piece. So it's really strange. And I remember I placed an order from the same seller with a lots of stuff. So I think this is the box with that stuff, so that's why I mentioned that it's full of things. So let's give a cut, because the description doesn't say too much, and let's have a look what we have inside of this box. Okay, so it's really well packed. How you can see here, lots of bubble wrap, lots of bubble wrap, and as I say, how you can see, it's full of stuff. Okay, so let's do like that, keep the box here and take one by one things from inside. So here we have a ep25 because I have only 1 piece in stock, so I say why not restocking some, because when I do more projects I might need a spare one. So ep25, and this is same like Arduino Nano. Let me get out like that, you can see it better. It's a board that you plug in the Arduino Nano over here, you power with the banana plug over here, and you can have the breakdown on all the pins over here, and it's good like you can use those 3 pins with positive, negative and signal, that you can power all the sensors like this one. See, there is 3 pins over there, so 3 pins with 3 pins you can plug and play around very easy. Why not? I'm gonna do some projects, so stay tuned. Then what else we have here? Here looks something with the USB-C on. Let's have a look. If I open, we can see what is this one as well. So this one, it's again S2 Mini and is the ESP32, I believe. Let me get my magnifier to have a look what is ESP32. Yeah, I hope that you can see it also, guys. Let me see. I hope that you can see it. By the way, that we can see it's different than the one that I received on my previous Mailbag video. I'm gonna put it over here and you can watch it to see the difference between this one and the other one what I received in the previous Mailbag. So this one is more tiny than the other one, and you can see that it don't have that enclosure metallic on the top, and also come to the USB-C, and yeah, I really like it. So definitely I'm gonna do some tinkering with this one, and this one are for the pins that you can just do soldering there, and you have all the pins written down over there. Yeah, it's a good device to play around. Then let's see what else we have in this box. So here we have again sort of sensor, or I think I know what is this one. This one is the serial converter. You know, when you have that communication via I2 square, and you have the one that they communicate with 5 volts, the other one that communicate with 3.3 volts. So this is the one that in one side keep 3.3 volts and in the other side keep 5 volts, and allows you to communicate between 5 volts and 3.3 volts. So you can see here, see, it say that in this side you can go up to 5.5 volts. Let me just focus. So you can see these pins, you can go up to 5.5 volts, and in this side you can go only up to 3.6 volts. For the I2 square communication is a good device also, that it's helping me for some tinkering. Then let's see what else I have here. Okay, so I have a bunch of these block connectors, are really handy. I almost ran out, and that's why I get some. And then let's see another things. Here we have also some SMDs, what I say about that project with the SMD components. We have here some TO252 and they are voltage regulators, so 5 volts, 6 volts, 8 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts and 15 volts. Yeah, and are 5 pieces each, so it's good for stocking and for do that project that I'm planning to do. Then what else we have in this bag? Here also some LEDs, SMD components as well, apart from the same project that I mentioned. I'm gathering the components that I need, and is that the 50/50 LEDs, and I think they are red, blue, yellow, white, yeah, all the colors of what you need. So are 10 pieces each, I believe, 20 pieces each, and there is red, yellow, green, white and blue. Let's see what else I have in this box. I can see something at the bottom. Have a look what I have. Yeah, really nice. So instead using this one, I can use this one, because this one also comes with a battery. Let's find a battery and see how this magnifier works, if it's worked better than this one. So I had 3, looks like he's mounting 3 AAA batteries, and looks like working nice. And yeah, definitely we can see the difference when I want to read the component. You can see that it's much better. If I bring it closer to you, you can see better the writing comparing with this one. If I try to do the same, it's quite hard because the light doesn't show really nice, but this one, because has these LEDs there, help me to read better the ICs. Like this very tiny one, if I look, I can read very nicely, and I can bring also to the camera, and also with the camera you can read better what is inside there. Nice, cool device. Let's dig more in this box because there is more stuff over here. Here we have some voltage regulator, so it's really strange. Only 10 pieces. Well, so let me just look a quick what they are. So are the 5 volts IMS 1117. Let me just show you. So they are the 5 volts voltage regulator, those ones, and these ones are same, are the 5 volts as well. And I have 10 pieces of each, same for that project that I say, the SMD components. Then let's dig more. Here I have another kit of LEDs, same red, yellow, green, white and blue. Same, there is 20 pieces, 20 pieces of each. These one are the 5730 and same for that project. What more? Digging more. Okay, so other 10 kind of, I believe they are some MOSFETs. This one FDD8447, because I know that my project with SMD involves some MOSFETs as well. So I think these one are 10 pieces, the same MOSFET. Yeah, 10 pieces of these MOSFETs as well. Let's dig more to see what else is inside of this box. So inside of this box we have some other, this is a kit. Yeah, because I want also to experiment, because I don't do too much SMD and I want to understand, because this one involves very tiny SMDs, and I want to practice first on this one before I'm doing my project to make sure I'm gonna be able to solder very tiny SMDs. So yeah, this one definitely will costing not that expensive, and that's why I added from the same seller. And stay tuned, maybe I'm gonna make a video when I'm gonna try soldering this one, like that you can see my skills on soldering SMDs. There's more stuff here to come out from this box. Another kind of, I think this is an Arduino. Yeah, Arduino Micro, something like that. Definitely is the Pro Mini. Doesn't say which model, the 5 volts, 8 megahertz, 16 megahertz or 20 megahertz. Doesn't say nothing. It's just up to try to discover. So come with the pins, programmer pins over here, and then the other pins over there, which is a good also, because I had few of them but I use it for a project and then I ran out, so I'm restocking a bit. What else we have here? So we have another a display, and I believe mount a max driver. So let's open to see how that looks. You can see here, let me just give a quick to see if it's the max. This one is completely blind, so there is no any anything right on this IC, but I believe it's a Max driver. There is this displays that they are not quite straight over here. If I just need to put something against it, I don't know how they soldered, but look, so I might touch a bit the soldering to make it really proper straight. Yes, also this one I get it for a project that will gonna come soon, so stay tuned. Please subscribe, activate notification bell like that you'll not miss the project for this display. What else there is inside of this box? Because there is more stuff to come out, definitely. Okay, so I get also this kind of ruler with some of the SMD footprints to understand when I want to do a project. At least it's quick to understand like the size of the component and if it's good to use it or no, if I'm going to be able to solder it or no, and then also the size of the traces. And here some footprints of some ICs. I saw that almost lots of makers they using this ruler, so I say why not, let me add it on the basket as well. What else we have here? I think this is the last stuff because the box get empty. So this is an Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno Shield kind of controller. So because also there is another project that we're gonna come also that one soon, so I need this one for that project. So this one definitely needs to go there, and you can use it as a joystick, you can use some buttons over here. So it's part of a plan of the remote control that includes NRF 24L01 because it will gonna sit over here, the NRF, it will gonna do a remote control, and then it will gonna be the receiver that it will gonna receive the commands of this one. So yeah, stay tuned also for that project because it will gonna come soon also that project. So now let's see how much I pay on, how fast they move over here, and why I buy everything from the same seller. So this is my order, the box that comes on this Saturday over here, and I pay a total of £20.36 on all the items, and I ordered it on 5th February and I received it on 25th, so this means 19 days to be here. Let's see the order details, like that we can see the price for each individual. So the joystick is costing £1.26, the ESP32S2 Mini costing £1.66, the 30 pieces 6 kinds of TO252 transistor, the voltage regulator costing £1.47, magnifier costing £1.83, the LEDs, this one is the 5730 kit costing 0.83 pence, the kit as I say is costing very cheap, 0.59 pence, the I2C logic converter costing the 0.41 pence, and the prep board for the nano expansion board cost 0.89 pence, then the ruler 0.67 pence, the 10 pieces 8447 and channel power MOSFET costing 0.83 pence, then the 5050 kit LEDs 0.93 pence, the DHT22 costing 1.51, then the IMS 5 volts, so you can see here IMS 5 volts 0.48 pence, the display 0.79 pence, the set of block connectors it's costing £1.05, and the Arduino Pro Mini costing £1.89. So total I paid £20.36, and I say the shipping was just costing me only 68 pence for all together, because as I say I buy everything from the same store. The store is TZT Tango Official Store, and definitely you are gonna find the link on the description below for all these items if you are more interested on any of those. You can see here was some coupons also that I use for this one. Tax, you can see here there is tax, and I can see shipping on all together it's just 0.67. So here we go, this was the content of this mailbag video of Saturday 25th February. One box with a lots of parts, that some of them are restocking, some of them are part for new projects that coming soon. So please subscribe, activate the notification bell like that you will not miss these projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and for now, bye bye and see you on my next video.